Hello dear students, I am Archana Pandey, your maths teacher from AP Public School. Students, in the previous video of maths, we have studied about trigonometric ratios, that is sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. In this video, we are going to study about trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So these angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So there is a way to find out the value of these specific angles, but we will not mention it about in this video. So let's see, the value of sine 0 degree is 0, value of sine 30 degrees 1 by 2, sine 45 degree 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree root 3 by 2, sine 90 degree is 1. And similarly, students, there is a way to learn these values. So how can we learn? Here you are seeing sine A. Some of the values are going from here to here, means left hand side to right hand side. If you are going to reverse these values, you can see here the first value is 1, there the last value is 1. Here root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, this is 1 by 2 and this is 0. So if you are going to learn the value of sine and some specific angles, you can easily remember the values of cos and tan. This value you can find it out by taking tan is equals to sine upon cos, that I have mentioned earlier also. So in this way, these are some values. We have to remember these values in order to solve the formula. So let's directly, one more thing, let me tell you, this I have written not defined. Not defined means what? Tan A. If I am going to find the value of tan 90 degree, what I can write? Tan 90 degree is equals to sine 90 degree upon cos 90 degree. So what is the value of sine 90 degree? That is 1 and the cos 90 is 0. So 1 by 0, if you are going to divide it, this will never end. This division will never end. You will get the answer 0, 0, 0 like this. So it can be called infinite also. That is called not defined. So this is 1 by 0 is undefined. So these are the values. We have to put it in our mind to solve the formulas. So sums. Let's come to the sums. First question is find out the value of this one. Okay. This is sine 60 degree, cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree and cos 60 degree. So here, how can we find the value of this one? If we remember the values of the angles, then we can find out easily. So sine 60 degree, that is from here, from the table you can see sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Put the value here, sine 60 degree, root 3 by 2. Now next one is cos 30 degree. From this table, the value of cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Here we kept root 3 by 2. Similarly, next one, sine 30 degree. Its value from this table you can see 1 by 2. And next is cos 60 degree. That's value is 1 by 2. So after putting the values, what we get? This is root 3 into root 3. If any number is in root, 2 times it's multiplied, so it will become just 3. Okay, root sign will be removed. So root 3 into root 3 is 3 and 2 to the 4. Plus there 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 to the 4. This is a fraction. You know it how to solve. Okay. So it becomes 4 by 4, that is equals to 4 1 are 4 and 4 1 are 4. 1 by 1, it means what? 1. Let's come to the second question. Next question is also, we have to find out the value of this one. 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sine square 60 degree. So if you remember the values of these angles, then you can easily solve it. Right? The value of tan 45 degree is 1. So here 2, we will write here 2 into tan square 45 degree. Value of tan 45 is 1. So it will become 1 square. Next is cos square 30 degree. The value of cos 30, that is root 3 by 2. Since here is square, so we will make it square. Minus sine, so here also minus sine square is 60 degree. The value of sine 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. And since it is given in square, so that will become root 3 by 2 whole square. Now 1 square is 1. So this is 2 into 1 and root 3 square means root 3 into root 3, that will become 3. 3 by 4. This one 2 square is 4 minus same thing root 3 by 4, that is 3 by 4. So plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4, this will be cancelled. It will become 0 and next 2 into 1, that is 2. So here is the final value. So dear students, you have to learn all this formula just in order to solve these sums. Okay. So students, our next topic is trigonometric identities. For this, there are three basic formulas. First one is sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. You can say sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This one is angle and this is also angle, theta is also angle. Next is 1 plus tan square a is equals to sec square a. Third formula is cot square a plus 1 equal to cosec square a. So let me explain you the proof how this formula came. Okay, I will explain you the one formula. On that basis next two you can do it by yourself. So let's see here, sin square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. This how it came. I am taking this left hand side. So this is a right angle triangle in which this point B, here it is 90-degree angle, okay, and we are taking this angle as A. So sin square A, as you have studied that sin A is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is the line perpendicular, the line opposite to the angle is perpendicular. So this is the angle and this line is opposite to that angle, so this will become perpendicular. If we take the angle C, so the line opposite to C is BA, then this will become perpendicular. But in the present scenario, sin A, I am taking A, this angle, so this is perpendicular. So sin A, what it will become? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is AC. So perpendicular is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Since we are given square, so we will write square also. Next, cos square A. Again, the angle is A. This is perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. Cos A, that is what? Base upon hypotenuse, B upon H. So base is AB or BA, whatever you can write, and hypotenuse is AC. Now look at here, BC upon AC whole square. This will become BC square upon AC square. This also AB square upon AC square. Here the denominator is same. So we will add the numerator, that is BC square plus AB square upon AC square. Look at here, BC square plus AB square. So this is BC square and this one AB. So these two will make up AC square. How? You have studied in Pythagoras theorem that perpendicular square plus base square, that is equals to hypotenuse square. So perpendicular is BC, so BC square plus AB square, that is equals to AC square. So I have kept AC square. Now this become AC square upon AC square. This will be cancelled and it will become 1. So you have seen how this formula is proved. So in this way you can prove these two formulas also. Let's come to the sums. First question is evaluate sin square 63 plus sin square 27 upon cos square 17 plus cos square 73. So we don't know the values of these special angles, okay. So what we do, we can convert sin into cos and similarly cos into sin. You have studied sin A is equals to sin 90 minus A is equals to cos A. So I will write this angle 63 degree, that is 90 minus 27. This will become sin square 90 minus 27. So as you have studied, sin 90 minus A is equals to cos A. So sin square 90 minus A, that will become cos square A. A means this angle. Similarly, this one is written like this only, and this also I am going to change. Cos square 17 degree, 17 can be written as 90 minus 73 degree, and cos square 90 minus 73 degree, that is sin square 73 degree. Now here cos square 27 plus sin square 27 upon sin square plus cos square. What we are seeing that the values of these two angles are same. So we can apply this formula, that is sin square A plus cos square A, that is equals to 1. Since the value of these angles are same and this is cos square sin square, so this will become 1. In the denominator also you are seeing the value of the angle is same, 73 and 73. So this also will become 1. So 1 by 1 is 1 because we can remove the 1 of the denominator. Now come to the next question, that is 9 sec square A minus 9 tan square A. How we can solve it? First of all, I am taking 9 as common, so this will become sec square A minus tan square A. From there the formula is given. You can see sec square A can be written as 1 plus tan square A, this one minus tan square A. So tan square A will be cancelled and it will become 0. So 9 into 1, this is 9. So it was very simple problem. Next is sec A plus tan A, 1 minus sin A. We have to find out the value, what it will become. So let's see here. This one is given sin and this is sec and tan. So what we can do? We can convert this into sin and cos. If you remember the formula, sec is the reciprocal of cos and cos is the reciprocal of sec. So it can be written as 1 by cos and tan is written as sin upon cos. Here the denominator is same, so we will add the numerator, that will become 1 plus sin A. Okay, 1 plus sin A upon cos A. Here 1 minus sin A, we won't do anything in this. So let's see here, 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A. The first term is same here and the second term is also same. There is a difference of this is plus and this is minus. We have studied the formula A plus B, A minus B. What it becomes? It becomes A square minus B square. So A square means 1 square, that is 1, minus B means sin A. So sin square A. So from this formula that we have written that sin square A plus cos square A, that is equals to 1. What we can write it? We can write like this also. If we take sin square A that side, it will become cos square A is equals to 1 minus sin square A. So this is what we are getting here, 1 minus sin square A. So we can write here cos square A. So cos square A upon cos A. So this is 2 times multiplied and this is 1 time will be cancelled. What it remains? Only cos A. So this is the final answer. So I think it is all clear, and today our chapter number 8, that is trigonometric ratios, it is completed. In the next video we will start the next chapter, that is height and distance. Our next topic is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So we know what is complementary angle. If two angles, let us suppose that is A and B, when the sum of these two angles is equals to 90 degree, then these are called complementary angles. So that's why it's called trigonometric ratios, means this is sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, it means two angles are making a 90 degree angle. So these are the formulas: sin 90 minus A, that is equals to cos A, cos 90 minus A, that is sin A. Here you can learn it easily that sin 90 minus A changes into cos A, and similarly cos 90 minus A, that changes into sin A. Tan 90 minus A, that is cot A, and cot 90 minus A, that is tan A. So these two are changing into each other, means tan is changing into cot and cot is changing into tan. This also you can learn it easily. Similarly sec 90 minus A is cosec A and cosec 90 minus A is sec A. So these two are also changing into each other. As I have told you earlier that how these formulas came, we will study about it later on in detail. Okay. So just remember these formulas, that sin changes into cos, cos into sin, tan into cot, cot into tan, sec into cosec, and cosec into sec. But when for complementary angles, when the angle is given 90 minus A. So on this basis, let's solve the sums. First question is given, evaluate, means we have to find out the value. What we have to find out? Sin 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. So what I have told you previously, in that the ratios were, or the angles were 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. We don't know the value of this one, although you will study it in further classes, okay? But at the present time we don't know. So how can we solve? We know it this one, that sin 90 minus A is equals to cos, or cos 90 minus A is equals to sin. So what we have to do? We have to change any one into other term. So let's see here. This is 18 degree. So 18 degree can be written as 90 minus 72. If I am minusing 72 from 90, the value is what? 18. So what I have done, I have just written sin here. So sin is also here. 18 degree, that is written as 90 degree minus 72 degree. Now come to the formula. What we have studied from this formula, sin 90 minus A is equals to cos A. Means it converts into cos, and what is the value of this angle? That comes with cos. So this one 90 minus 72, so this will convert into cos 72 degree, and below in cos 72 degree we are doing nothing. So it came cos 72 degree upon cos 72 degree. So this one and this one will be cancelled. So the value will become 1. Now come to the next question, that is show that. Show that means we have to prove tan 48 degree is equals to tan 23 degree, that is equals to tan 42 degree, tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree is equals to 1. We have to prove that all these values together become 1. So what we will take, when we have to prove something, we have to make them equal. So we will take LHS or we will take RHS. So in this you are seeing that in RHS there is only one. We can't do anything in that. So let's take the left hand side. So this is the left hand side. So tan 48, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67. In this, how can we solve? Because we don't know the values of this 48 degree, 23 degree, 42 degree and 67 degree. So this 48 degree can be written as 90 minus 42. Similarly, 23 can also be written as 90 minus 67. Here we are seeing that there are 4 terms and all the terms are in tan. So we will change only 2 terms. So I am changing first 2 terms. So now from here the formula you have studied, tan 90 minus a is equals to cot a. So this will become cot 42 degree, tan 90 minus 42 is cot 42 degree, and tan 90 minus 67, that is cot 67 degree. This one tan 42, I am writing like this only, 67 also like this. Again, this can be converted into 1 by tan. You have studied in the first video that cot is equals to 1 by tan, tan is equals to 1 by cot. So this can be written as 1 by tan 42 and this also 1 by tan 67. Here you can see tan 42 and tan 42 gets cancelled and tan 67, tan 67. This also gets cancelled. So the value becomes 1.